Hi, Tricia here at Club Scrap. I am so proud to introduce to you our kit number 301. Now, why would we call it Kit 301? Well, this kit is celebrating our 25th anniversary of Club Scrap, and 12 times 25 is 300, and this would be kit number 301. So it's an amazing collection, and it's really essentially a kit about nothing. And in this, we're featuring just some fun patterns and fun numbers and very neutral colors, making it extremely flexible for any event you might be commemorating. So here on the prints in this kit, we've got two of this really sweet little numbers print. And then we have a stunning array of plain papers here for you. They're super special. Right on top here, you can hear it's a nice heavy card stock, and there's a very slight, you can actually hear the texture of this, a beautiful pearlized white metallic textured paper. So pretty. And then the next sheet here is a gray, a charcoal gray with this gorgeous linen-like texture. And then we have two sheets of this stunning metallic silver. And as you know, a 25th anniversary is your silver anniversary, and that's why we went ahead and included that stunning metallic silver paper. And then two sheets of this nice matte deep black, perfect for the balance here on this. And then to help you create your cards both inside and out, you can finish them with this series of printed cut-aparts. Now, we'll strategically trim these into individual elements, and that will take care of both the inside and outside of all of your cards. We're also including this fun strip of sentiments, and you can trim them into individual sentiments, and a lot of them use clever puns with numbers, because again, this is kit number 301, and we have a lot of numbers being featured, like cheers to you, for example. We also include ribbon for embellishing, and we have 2 yards of this fun silver cord, a yard of this grosgrain edged satin gray ribbon, and then we have this black satin with a silver metallic edge. Sticking with our silver plan, we also have 4 silver metallic tags, a set of 4 silver embroidered leaves, and we're topping off this collection with this specially made commemorative Club Scrap charm. And no Club Scrap kit would be complete without a set of 12 envelopes to house the cards you're going to make. We'll have 4 each of 3 different sizes. Now, this entire collection wouldn't be very useful if I didn't help you figure out how to work with it. So along with your kit, you can download these amazing instructions with carefully mapped trimming diagrams and written instructions for how to efficiently trim all of the paper in the box to make the pre-planned cards. Then you'll have a picture index of every card you'll make. And of course, all of this accompanies a full workshop video where I will just take you through this process step by step. So our first set of cards this month include this fun double-decker card. So we call it a double-decker because it has this front panel and a cleverly folded card base. And then there's like a second panel that pops up as well when the card is open and on display. So you can see the double decker. Again, you'll make 4 of these. I've got a fun way I'm going to show you how to use this ribbon embellishment and also this fun ribbon embellishment. And now we have our fun card challenge this month. But don't really see it as a literal challenge, because I will help make this the most simple card you've ever put together. It's really not that hard, but wow, it has a spectacular effect when it's taken out of the envelope. So it mills perfectly flat, and then it stands up for a clever display. You'll make 4 like this. And we'll round things out with a set of 4 really simple 5x7 cards. It's just panel on panel on panel. The little embroidered leaf is featured along with the fun silver tag, the gorgeous ribbon, and of course the inside is fully decorated with that sentiment as well. So I make 4 of these to round out the 12 gorgeous cards with kit number 301. So members and non-members alike have access to this collection. Members always save, but come along and give this card kit a try. We're gonna have a lot of fun learning together. I'll see you in class.